Here we are at Tallington level crossing in Lincolnshire with AB trains. Oh, for goodness sake. Wire got caught in the twigs again. Right. Well, that's what I get for having such a long wire. Time is 12:24 on Thursday the 30th of January 2025. And this is for your slightly delayed 12:21 1 Bravo 83 London North Eastern Railway Service and Lincoln Central Lincoln's Cross, and possibly for your 12:24 1 Sierra 15 London North Eastern Railway Service and Lincoln's Cross, Edinburgh. In fact, no, this is actually the fourth time I got this wire caught in anything. The third time actually happened in the car. When I arrived at this crossing, I had to get out as quickly as possible because obviously, knowing these crossings, they could go down at any point, knowing how busy this line is. But then I got the wire caught in the seatbelt. Typical. There's something. 801-229. 801-229 to Edinburgh, and we're staying. Staying for the Lincoln London one. But is it going to go on the slow line, or is it actually going to go on the fast line? I mean, I don't know, because I can't see the signals from here. We might even stay for your 12:29 1 Delta 12 London North Eastern Railway System Lincoln's Cross to Harrogate. And maybe your 12:31 1 Lima 80 Smithlands Railway System Liverpool Line Street to Norwich. Well, here's one of them. Yeah, it's going on the slow line. 800 to 03. 800 to 03 to Lincoln's Cross, and we're staying again, unless it pulls a nick a minute. Here we go. 800 208 to Harrogate, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.